Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. I think we're now today's lesson 11, I guess. Okay, let's enjoy today's lesson. Okay, so let's see where we were last time. So we, learned to, using Turtle graphics on Colab. We learned to draw lines and then squares, especially using functions. So we learned how to define functions and how to call them with parameters such as the side length f. Okay. I hope you remember this. If not, please, if you are unsure, please go back to the previous video and see it again. Okay. So the homework: define a function to draw a triangle and turn right by 60 degrees after each call. Okay. So here the new problem is how to draw a regular triangle. So let's see. The point is in the case of square. Okay, so we at corner the turtle was heading north, heading up, and then at the corner we needed to turn left by 90 degrees. In case of triangle like this, right? So what is the degree to turn? Yeah, as you might know, this inner angle is 60, so this should be 120, right? So that's how it gives the answer, okay? And then also we need to loop for 3 times to draw a triangle. Okay, let's do that. So open EX2, connect to the boxes by connecting and then redoing the first cell. Pip install. Ooh, it gives some words. And maybe we will use the last, reuse the last code again. Okay, so basically one way is to define triangle. Let's do it that way. Okay, so let's copy this initialize code, put it here, for example, anyway, and then just looking at the above, we define the triangle function s for I in range 3 this time, forward s, and then turn left by, as I said, 120. Okay, let's see anyway, if by calling this, okay, for example, let's call this function with a parameter 100 and see how it works. Something is wrong. Okay, I need triangle. Yeah, okay, let's try it. Good, perfect, right? So we successfully drew triangle. Okay, so using this, what was the assignment? Define a function to draw a triangle, done, and turn right by 60 degrees after each call. How many times? Maybe just like maybe 6 times. Okay. Okay, so let's copy. Let's make a box here. Okay, maybe you can use this. So initialize turtle. So we can clear this. Let's do it 5 times. Triangle. Let's see. Shall we first write with the same side of 50 and write 60 degrees? Turn right by 60 degrees after each call. So call triangle and then turn 60 degrees, turn right by 60 degrees. Let's see how it works. Okay. Good. Fine. Okay. This is not so interesting. So maybe we will speed up and then increment the side length by 50 each time. Okay. And shall we do it 6 times? Okay. Let's see how it works. Smalls. Okay, fast. And then it's fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So maybe this is what we wanted. Are you satisfied too? I'm satisfied. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go ahead. So today's work. Draw spirals. Okay, let's see what we can do. Draw 60 squares, turning by 5 degrees each time. Okay, and use initializeTurtle 9 and also pen widths of 1. Okay, let's do it anyway, as it tells. So we have already defined square function. So maybe we can copy this and then make a box here. Okay, and it says use 9 and also width 1, very thin pen. And then let's see again, draw 60 squares, turning by 5 degrees each time. So very simple. For I in range 60, draw square. Let's see, maybe 100. Size is 100. And then which way? Maybe left is fine. Either way, 5 degrees. Turning by 5 degrees each time. Either right or left. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, oh, beautiful. Working. Turtle is working. Okay, very good. Beautifully drawing something. Almost a circle. Okay. Ooh. It stops here. The inner circle is perfect, but out circle is not. Because, how many times do we need? Because we're turning by 5 degrees, how many times do we need to make a complete circle? Okay, maybe 360 divided by 5. So 72 times. If we do it 72 times, we will have complete circle here. Anyway, yeah, you will try that later. Okay, let's do it. Next, do the same, increasing the side length by 5 each time. Interesting. Okay, do it. Try yourself. Stop the video and try yourself. Okay, are you back with me now? Okay, let's reuse the code. So maybe side equals initially 30 and square length s, and each time increase it by 5. Okay, so initially the length is 30, and after draw one square, turn left by 5 degrees and increase s by 5. Let's see what we'll get this time. By the way, do you want to keep this? In that case, we will copy this and put it. No. Okay, so let's run it. Oh, Turtle is working. I see. So you see, this is what we could call a spiral, right? Okay, so this is what the title says. It's too big. maybe you can readjust the increment. Maybe you can change it to 2, and so that you have different output. But anyway, this is kind of drawing a spiral. Okay. So interesting, right? Okay, you can play with it as you like. Go ahead. You can try many things. Okay, homework. Define a star function, star of s, and do the same. Okay, how can we define a function star s? Let's think about it. This is another interesting one. So usually we start upward, and then what is the angle to turn? Usually, yeah, no. Actually, what we want is like this, right? And I will give you a hint. This angle is 36. Maybe you can find out yourself if you want. So what is the angle to turn? Okay. Maybe you can try to see why it is 36 here. But anyway, it's up to you. Okay, that's all for today. So be sure to come back next time. And please enjoy yourself drawing triangles, squares, and stars. Thank you very much, and hope to see you again. Bye-bye.